Welcome to my Java Web Applet demo. First, we'll take a look at a real-time demonstration, and then we'll look at some of the back-end stuff. Enjoy! Alright, so here's a real-time demonstration. This is a server and a client. It's two separate applications. So we'll go ahead, we have the server started, and you can see the server's listening for the client to start. So we'll go in a browser on a separate computer, and we'll open up the applet, and the server will start sending information to the client. And so you'll see that there's animals. Each animal is running on its own thread, and it's basically the server's doing all the work, and it's just sending the location of each animal to the client constantly. And also, the client can add turtles, for example, and that information is sent to the server, and the server will create a new turtle, and you can increase the speed of the turtles. Those changes are also made on the server. So we'll close the server, and one thing you'll notice is that when we start this back up again, all the changes that we just made are intact. They'll be loaded up. That's because when you close the client, the server will save all of the changes you've made to a database. And so now it's reloading all of the animals from their previous state from the database. Alright, here's the documentation for my application. The great thing about Java is you can generate Java docs, and you can see all the classes from the server are here. We've got the animal, bird, bunny, database manager, things like that. Here's a class diagram, which is basically an overview of everything that's happening with these two applications. I won't go in depth, but you can see there's a few major steps, basically sending the data over to the client, and the server listens for any changes. So here's the Java docs for my client. You can see a number of classes, and interfaces are not here, but there's quite a few of those. And we'll take a look here at one of those individual classes. This is it's a data structure I made, which is basically to hold all the information sent across the network. And that's about it.